Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. You know what I mean? And I'm gonna give you a juice which is good for you and help you to lose weight, balance the diet, and all these things. But sometimes I make you a drink which is good for you to lose weight. This is the bad boy, apple cider vinegar. I have been drinking this over the last 5 weeks now. Honestly, the way I feel, and I can't explain to you. You need to try it yourself. So I have apple cider vinegar. I got a glass. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna squeeze half of a lemon inside of it. This is exactly what I'm talking about. Nice one. So, half of a lemon. Pretty good. Perfect. And pinch of cinnamon. Some ginger powder. You can use some fresh ginger, but at the moment I don't have any fresh ginger. Give it apple cider vinegar a good shake up. Remove the cover. And then 1, 2 tablespoons of the bad boy. I'm using some lukewarm water, not hot, lukewarm. So, this is exactly what I'm talking about right here. This is it. If you drink this every morning before you eat your breakfast for 6 weeks straight, 6 weeks every morning before you eat your breakfast. If you want to drink some of it before you go to your bed, that's even better. So this can help you to lose weight, balance your diet, and it's a good drink before you go to bed before sleep, and also help you to clean your system, help you to detox your body, and also help you for clearing your body. So guys, hopefully we just give it a try, and it's just tips and ideas from Chef Ricardo and the team. And you know what I mean, we always give you a recipe. This is from the Juice Bar channel. And honestly, we got a lot more ideas and a lot more recipe like this coming your way. And as you can see, the cinnamon is good for you, the ginger and the apple cider vinegar and the lemon. Everything here is natural. This can help you to lose weight faster than anything else in this whole wide world. For me, I tried it and it works for me. So anyone can try it and it will work for them. So guys, thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. Got a lot more ideas and a lot more recipe. And this is from Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. See you next time. Bye bye. Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. Is amazing to be in the kitchen. It's coming up to Christmas, guys, and a lot of my fans and keep saying, Chef Ricardo, what for Christmas? We're gonna come out with something really fantastic for Christmas. And hopefully guys, like the recipe. Please subscribe my channel and leave your comments. We're looking forward for this Sunday. Probably do a pot roast beef. Basically I will do something separate on that one with my fans and tell me what you think about it. So guys, stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook, and we do pigs and blanket today. Beautiful recipe. Enjoy it. It's just, you know what I mean, this time of year, you know, we always come out with different stuff and, you know what I mean, different things. So we want to start the year really early with this Christmas. That means the guys can get ahead and plan what you're going to do for Christmas. Thank you so much to tune in to my show. Leave your comments below, give me a like, and also subscribe and share the video and tell a friend. Nice and lovely, welcome back guys. It's coming up to what? Christmas and also Thanksgiving Day. There's a lot of stuff going on at the moment, but I want to share a few of my secret recipe with you. We're gonna talking about like pigs and blanket. Most people do that for Christmas, and also you can do this for Thanksgiving Day also. Just come from the butcher, get some fresh bacon. This is some smoked bacon and some sausages right here, some pork sausages, which I'm going to show you how you can do your Christmas pigs and blanket at home in your kitchen, and I'm gonna give you some ideas and tips on it also. So first thing what you're gonna do is when you get your bacon, make sure you get the lean part of the bacon. This part is a lean part of the bacon, really nice. Then the tricks in it, what you're gonna do, make sure your hand clean, or if not, wear gloves on it. You're gonna wrap it just like this around, because I'm using the bigger sausages. That's the one I'm using at the moment. So basically this is how you want to do it. You want to lay it on a piece of a grease-proof paper like that. I did start doing one earlier. This is how you want to do them. Really nice and interested guys, you know how you can do this for Christmas at home, or for your also Thanksgiving Day. It's an amazing recipe, and I know you guys will love this recipe. Fantastic, and look at that, really nice. So these are some tips and ideas for my fans for this Christmas. I know this Christmas you're gonna love it. Basically I have so many things coming up guys, and I'm telling you, you're going to love this one. All right, nice one. So as I can see exactly what I'm talking about right over there, how I'm doing them, and they're coming out so lovely and nice. But I want to share this with my fans, and it was just burning me. So what, I need to give my fans this recipe because it's fantastic. So basically you can go to any local shop or supermarket and just simple buy some bacon, some smoked bacon and some sausages, and do the same thing what I'm doing right here. Make some pigs and blanket for your Christmas dinner this Christmas. So we're starting off it very early today this year guys, because a lot of my fans said to me that last year I didn't start very early, so I'm gonna be starting early this year. As you can see exactly what I'm doing right there. They are so fantastic. I love my pork sausages, man. But anyway, as you can see, this part guys, I have to very be careful of this part. This part really have a little fat on it, but that's fine. We still have to work with something, seeing we just only have probably about two more sausages to wrap. Oh, you guys gonna love this. Oh my taste, look at this one, really nice. Fantastic. Oh man, as you can see exactly what I'm talking about. So this is all we're going to be starting on. These bacon I'm just going to be put these in the oven also. Fine. Lovely. So basically, as you can see exactly what I'm talking about right there with the pigs and blanket. I know you guys gonna love this. So basically you're gonna put this in the oven. We're gonna be baking up this for about 25 minutes in the oven, and gas mark 7 or 8. If you're using electric oven, it will might take about same thing, 175 or 165. 25 to 30 minutes in the oven guys, as you can see. Pigs and blanket right here. This is a Christmas tips and Christmas idea, or you can do your Christmas sausages and bacon wrap together. Hopefully you guys like it. Please leave your comments below, and thank you so much for watching my show. And as we're gonna put them in the oven right now. And first thing, it's good for you to preheat your oven. That's one of the first thing you want to do. And gas mark 7 or 8 I'm using at the moment. Thank you so much. Nice and lovely. I just come in a while ago and I'm gonna say to myself I want to do some fish, and I'm gonna do my fish plain and straight. All right, I got some haddock right here, haddock fish, you know what I mean. But this is the frozen one, to be honest, yeah. And I brought it from the supermarket, and I said to myself, you know, I'm gonna do something for my fans with some fish. All right. First thing we're going to do is put some mixed herb on it like this, right? Roughly about a tablespoon of mixed herb, half teaspoon of mixed herb. All right, lovely. Some pepper. little bit of pepper on it, you know what I mean? I'm gonna show you something, guys. Nice one. I got some fish season. I'm gonna simply sprinkle the fish season over it. Roughly about a teaspoon of fish season. And some olive oil or vegetable oil. Well, I'm using olive oil. Some people might say, why are you not using olive oil? Oh, yeah, olive oil, olive probably oil, but you know what I mean, with bean. But really good. And some all-purpose seasoning. Just a little pinch of all-purpose seasoning, not too much. This is just a plain pan fried chicken, nothing too excited, you know what I mean? Just keep it simple. Alright, then I'm just gonna love that simple. Just marinate it up. Lovely. Nice. Alright, so after you do this, then what we're going to do now is go over the side. Just take the sachets from the oven. What we're going to do is this. Pigs and blanket. Glaze, little bit of honey on top of it like this. Alright, that's it, guys. Then next, use a fork and just spin it over. Roll it 2 times, as you can see, and they're looking lovely and nice. Alright, what I'm going to do is share them out now. Lovely and nice, guys. Just take the pigs and blanket from the oven, and as you can see, share them out, and they're looking so fantastic. Christmas look, Christmas ideas, Christmas tips, and also you can use it for Thanksgiving Day also, guys. So enjoy the recipe. Let's finish it off with some parsley on the top of it for garnish, and I know you guys will love it. Tune in, and hopefully we can see you next time with better and healthy recipe also. So remember, pigs and blanket with honey glaze on top of it. Enjoy the recipe and see you next time. Bye bye. Welcome back. It's Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing. It's coming up to what? Christmas. Anyway, I just come from my local butcher, and I'm gonna say butcher. His name is Peasley. The butcher, Ozzy. It's on London Road, and this is his business card right here, guys. So basically, we can guys see exactly what's going on right here in the kitchen. As you can see, that is number right there, 028 684 1075, 780 London Road, Phantom East, CR76JB. It's Christmas. You need to get your meat, you need to get your stuff for Christmas. So what I'm gonna do, you know what I mean, it's Christmas coming up very soon, so I need to show my fans them all, you know what I mean, we are gonna have like probably jerk pork on the table, or probably stew pork, or probably, I don't know what you're gonna have on your table this year, but I know our year time we normally have a lot of meat and stuff on the table. So basically I'm gonna show my fans them how they can marinate their jerk pork for this Christmas. You have to have some meats and some stuff on the table, because it's not only turkey alone. When we do Jamaica, we do Christmas in Jamaica, a mad thing. Yeah? So give my fans them how they can show, you know what I mean, some ideas of how you can get your meat marinate and ready for Christmas. It's gonna be fun this Christmas. Alright, let's go into business. Right here I have, as I said, just coming from the local butcher, and let's get some pork. Look at this, clean and nice and fresh. You saw the meat fresh? I just wash it off with some lemon juice. Alright, we all know what this is all about. You know what I mean? 90 cooker. If it doesn't have one of this in the kitchen, please get one. Very nice to work with. Alright? What we're going to do, I'm going to show you how you can crush up some seasoning and some stuff ready for the pork. So first thing, I'm going to put some garlic in my 90 crusher right here. Roughly that's 2, 4, 6 cloves of garlic. I'm gonna get some spring onion. Nice one. Let's put some spring onion in it. That's lovely and nice. Then some thyme. Nice one. Some olive oil. A little bit of mixed herb. What we're going to do, we're going to just mash this. Alright. If it doesn't have one of these guys, honestly, you need to get one. Really nice to work with. Special for mush all the garlic. Really nice. Really nice to work with. Then what we're going to do is scrape out this. So all of those natural seasoning I just put on it. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put a teaspoon of the jerk season. I got some jerk season which I just brought from the supermarket. Very spicy and hot. Jamaican jerk seasoning, really nice to work with, honestly. So right here I got some seasoning which I want to put on it. First thing, I'm gonna put a teaspoon of paprika. Let's put another teaspoon. Nice one. I know you guys gonna love this. So this is another way how you can do your jerk pork for this Christmas. If you want me to marinate it for you, if you want me to cook it for you, let me know. A little bit of coarse pepper. Large teaspoon of paprika. all of these seasoning, if you doesn't want to use them, guys, it's up to you. You just, you know what I mean, it's just to show you one way you can do at home. And I got some everyday season. 1 teaspoon of the everyday season. The everyday season, really nice. Let's put a little bit of oil on the pork. I got some honey. I'm gonna put a teaspoon of honey for a taste, you know what I mean? If you got gloves, please use gloves and marinate it on. Don't do what I'm doing, alright guys? I'm gonna marinate up the pork like this. Cause you know what I mean, sometimes the pork have bone and it might get in your finger, so you have to be careful. But I'm a chef and I know what I'm doing. And especially jerk season is really hot. So please don't do a Chef Ricardo do right or so. You need to get your gloves and use your gloves, alright? Because I want to rub my meat, rub it up properly. Yeah man, this look nice. See that? So you look already? And then, looking lovely and nice. Alright. So this is another way how you can do your Christmas pork. So basically, we're gonna have pork, stew chicken, probably curry chicken, fried plantain, roast turkey, roast beef. You name it, all of these things, you know what I mean, gonna be at the table because your family gonna come over, so you do some little jerk pork and all them things there. Look at this. Really nice. So what you're gonna do now, so tomorrow is Christmas, then you want to marinate this from the day before and get it really soaked properly. Look at that man. Beautiful and nice Christmas jerk pork. And you can blend up your own jerk seasoning if you like to. Or just use the one in the jar, you know what I mean? Because the one in the jar tastes really nice same way. With some natural season towards it. So bringing a lovely flavor and a lovely taste. So guys, as you can see right here, this is it right here, looking lovely and nice. Hopefully you guys will like the recipe and please subscribe to the channel. Look at that. That is looking lovely and nice. So enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel and leave your comments below. My name is Chef Ricardo and I represent Jamaica and the world. Thank you so much and stay tuned. Lovely and nice. Welcome back. Welcome back. It's amazing to be in the kitchen. Anyway, we want to do some Christmas over baked chicken recipe. We're gonna show you how to marinate it, get it ready and soak and all these things. Alright. Right over here I have some chicken pieces, leg and thigh. I just wash it off with some lemon juice. You can do the same thing also. But what we want to do, we want to get some season. And first thing, I got some natural season over here. I have some garlic, so we're gonna put some garlic in my little crusher right here. 2, 4, 6, 8 cloves of garlic. And what we're gonna do, I'm just gonna see how this crush it like this. All right. Yeah man, the best way to do your garlic, guys, you have to have one of these. Honestly, so if you have one of this, can't go wrong. Yeah man, nice. So we're gonna put some thyme also in it, bring up the flavor, you know. That's the thyme. Some spring onion. We're gonna crush it. Nice one. See that? Lovely and nice. So right over here I have some white onion. I'm gonna put some white onion in it also. Give it a lovely beat. Nice and lovely. I got some mixed herb. We're gonna put a little pinch of mixed herb in it just to get the flavor. Also, Nice one. So what we're going to do, we're just gonna simply scrape it out. All of this right here. Nice one. This thing just give it a lovely flavor, then just marinate up the meat with its natural season that you have at the moment, when you just mix up, and that's gonna bring a lovely flavor to the chicken. I got some olive oil. I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil on it. Nice one. So it's just gonna bring a lovely flavor to the chicken. All of those natural season where you just been using. Nice one. Don't afraid for marinate up your meat. So when you put on all of these natural season, yeah, I'm gonna wash off my hand. Yeah, man. So basically, what we're going to do now is to put on some seasoning on it. So we're going to put on some paprika. That's 1.5 teaspoon of paprika. The beauty is you can use your favorite season what you like to use to marinate your meat at home. This one gonna be Christmas barbecue chicken. We're gonna put some chicken season. 1.5 teaspoon chicken season. Then I got some of your favorite all-purpose season. 1.5 teaspoon. Little bit of pepper. And as I said, we got some olive oil already on the meat. If you got the gloves, you can put on the gloves. Very important. And that's simple. Give it a rub up like this just to get the color of the meat. Wow. Don't mess up my kitchen, please. As you can see exactly what's taking place right here. So we just want to get the chicken marinated. We already put on the natural season, so let's put on a few of the. It's Christmas. You want to make this Christmas look totally different. So basically, if tomorrow gonna be Christmas, you need to marinate your meat from the day before. If you want me to cook this chicken, just write it below, and I will show you exactly how it will come out. Cause we're gonna put baked chicken on the Christmas table this year. Oh my days! All right. See that? So that looking lovely and nice. So basically, what you can do, put that into a nice bowl and simple. Put it in the fridge and cook it the next day. Make it get a 24 hours meat soak. Beautiful and full of lovely flavor and taste. As you can see, fantastic. So enjoy the recipe. This is from Chef Ricardo on the team. We got a lot more recipes, a lot more stuff coming your way. And as I said, don't shy. Please write if you like something and you want me to make it for you. You're free to write it. But as I can see, that's how my meat look. Lovely and nice and colorful and look tasty. Lovely and nice. Welcome back guys. It's amazing. But anyway, you know, it's coming up to Christmas and we've been doing a lot of different things for Christmas. We've done crisp jerk pork, we've done oven baked chicken, and also we want to do some Christmas oven baked curry chicken. So first thing what we want to do, I have some garlic right over here. This is my little crusher cooker right here, like for crushing my vegetables and stuff. So basically I have a few cloves of garlic which I'm going to put in like this. Roughly about 4 cloves of garlic. Simple, we're just gonna get it mashed up. Get those flavor from the garlic. Very nice when you're using this for the garlic. And some spring onion. This is how we want to do it this Christmas. Ah, the flavor. That looking lovely in it already. We got some thyme. Nice one, that's the thyme. I got some white onion. I want to put some white onion in it just to bring up the flavor a little bit. I got some white onion which I'm already cut up. And I just put the white onion inside of it. Yeah man, it's looking good. That looking really good, honestly, guys. Alright. Let's scrape it out on the chicken and see what we're gonna look in. Alright? Yeah man. That looking lovely. You see that? Nice! Look at that. Nice. Rub up the chicken with this natural season first. It's not only for chicken, and that's probably about 2, 4, 6 pieces of chicken. Yeah man. So we just put in on the natural season first. When you put on the natural season, let's wash off my hand. Yeah, when you put on the natural season for any meat, honestly, it tastes totally different. The flavor what you get from it, you never get from no other else meat. Seriously guys. Olive oil. Pepper. Pinch of black pepper. Coarse pepper. Whenever a pepper you got at your home, use it. Don't shy. Teaspoon of chicken season. Christmas oven bake. This is a Christmas oven bake curry chicken, and a teaspoon of chicken season. I don't know if it's all purpose or one of them I put on before. I don't even remember. So much things are going on in the kitchen. Yeah man. But anyway, things looking good so far. Alright, so what we're going to do now, we need to put on some curry powder. Alright. Don't want to use that curry powder because that one doesn't good at all, man. I like this one. Ready? This one really nice. It's a mild curry powder, but it's nice. One teaspoon of the mild curry powder. A little bit more. Put a little bit of mixed herb. Might have said, oh, chef, I put mixed herb on curry chicken. And a teaspoon of honey. Alright. I got some more spring onion. I might just put these on it. Bring up the flavor some more. And I have a little bit more thyme. Little bit more white onion. That looking lovely and nice. So what we're going to do, we want to marinate it up and get that lovely color and flavor from it. So basically, it's good to use gloves, but you know what I mean, I'm already in the kitchen and thing. Let's put a little bit, pinch more olive oil. Let's just rub it up like this. God, I'm gonna play with meat, you know. Me name Chef Ricardo. And this is Christmas, yeah? I'll show my fans about them. A lot of stuff. Alright, so as I can see exactly what I want. This one is gonna be the oven bake curry chicken. So if somebody doesn't want any other else meat, I can do some of this for them. Something different. Yeah, nice. Nice one. Alright guys. Look at that. See? Beautiful. All I have to do is just bake this in the oven for 30 minutes. And that's it. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, leave your comments below. My name is Chef Ricardo, and I have a lot more ideas and recipes coming up for you. Christmas oven baked curry chicken. Stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back to Chef Ricardo Juice Bar. Channel is amazing. Anyway, first thing, we're gonna make you something nice today. I wanna say I have some frozen fruits right here, which I'm going to be putting a few of it inside of my smoothie blender right here. Frozen fruits. Go to any local shop or supermarket and buy yourself some frozen fruits, and this is what you can do. So the frozen fruit is in there. We're gonna put some ice. Half fingers of ripe banana. If not, they can put one finger. Double ripe banana. I love double ripe banana, cause you know what I mean. I just use one fingers of ripe banana. Honestly, guys, it's fantastic. All right, and we're going to put some milk in it. Wow, wow. This is supposed to be nice. Yes. You can put some honey if you like, but I'm not gonna put no honey. So I'm going to be blending this about 3 to 4 minutes. Enjoy it. Whoa, whoa. Before I blend, let's go. Nice and lovely. So I just finished blending it and it look pinkish, like, you know what I mean. But anyway, the ladies that might love this one. So, that smells nice. Nice piece of ice too. Look at that. Look at that lovely flavor, lovely taste, nice and fantastic. So enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Leave your comments below. Very important for Chef Ricardo Drinks Juice Bar channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We got a lot more recipe coming up. We got a lot more ideas and a lot more stuff coming your way. Don't go anywhere. Stay tuned. All right. See you next time. Bye bye.